Tier 1, English language. Topic subtopics, description. Spot the error. Error detection, find grammatically incorrect part in sentences. Fill in the blank single, double blank fill in context. Synonyms and antonyms, word meanings and opposites. Homonyms, multiple meanings, words with same sound, different meanings. Spelling, misspelt words, detect incorrect spellings. Idioms and phrases, common idiomatic usage. One-word substitution, replace phrase with single word. Sentence improvement, correction, improve given sentences grammatically. Active, passive voice, convert between active and passive. Direct, indirect speech, reported speech, convert between direct and indirect speech. Sentence, phrase rearrangement, rearranging parts of a sentence, jumbled phrases. Parajumbles, sentence shuffling, reorder sentences in a paragraph to make logical sense. Close test, close passage, fill in missing words in a passage. Reading, comprehension passage questions based on given passage, S.